In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload YouTube Shorts from PC. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser. Could be possibly working for you or suit you. Then just go here and type youtube.com and hit the enter button in the URL section. So of course, that will actually open this tab for you. And of course, if you want to upload the shorts, all you need to do, first of all, so if you go here, first of all, to the shorts section, as you can see, you'll not have the option. Let me just mute that or stop that. So as you can see, you'll not have the option here of like adding shorts in the shorts section. So all you need to do, just go at the top right corner. As you can see here, we have create option. So just go and click on that. You have the option of uploading a video or go live. So if you click at upload a video, so of course you'll find this page or this screen when you actually click at upload a video. So here, of course, if you want to upload a video, just go and click at select files. So of course, for me, you will not see that, but from here, you will just need to choose, of course, from your files of the PC to choose the video that you want to upload as a short. And for me, let's see. Okay, let me just get a video. I'm coming back. Okay, I have a video now. Let me just go and try to upload it. So just double click on the video or click on it, then click at upload. So make sure if you want to upload this video as a short, all you need to do in the title is, let's say as an example, let me just name it says for me here. Make sure in the title you add this hashtag shorts. So as you can see, when you just click at hashtag, it just appear here directly. So make sure to click on that. When you click on that, make sure that your video will be uploaded as a short. So just go and click next. Of course, if you want like yeah, of course you'll need to fill all of those. So of course, no, it's not made for kids, and then click at next. Of course, you can add end screen, add cards, do whatever you want with this. Check, and of course here you would like to choose if you want to make it private, public, or even unlisted. Anyone with the video link can watch your video. So of course, the ones you send the link, to, which is this link, you will be able to see this video. So of course, yeah, for me, I'm just going to make it public and click at publish. So as you can see, it's uploading now. So let me just wait until the upload finish. I'm coming back. So here is the video uploaded. Just gonna click at close. And as you can see here, I have my video right here. So of course, when I click on it, I will be able to edit this if I want. And now let me just go and click at my account here. Then your channel. Then of course, I'll find the shorts right here that I just added. As you can see, here is it now, and I'm going to be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.